In this video, I'll walk you through one of the most effective ways to evaluate and test your idea, competitor analysis, that helps you quickly determine whether your idea has the potential to move forward. Do customers need your product? And if so, what price would they be willing to pay? You'll learn how to specify your target audience and identify both market leaders and emerging competitors in the market. So let's get started. Taking the time to evaluate your idea is essential because it serves as the fuel for starting your journey and increases your chance of success. Sometimes evaluation reveals that your idea isn't as promising as you thought. Stopping it early without wasting resources is also a smart and valuable outcome. First thing you should do is to prepare your idea for testing. Focus on one idea and be sure you know exactly what you want to achieve. It might seem simple, but if you can write the story of your idea in a few lines, you'll have a clear problem definition and a better understanding of your goal and what you are looking for. For example, my idea is an AI-powered app designed to create fully personalized fitness and nutrition plans tailored to each user's unique profile. By analyzing data such as weight, height, activity level, and fitness goals, it provides customized recommendations. Users can input their favorite foods and activities, and the app suggests plans that align with their lifestyle and preferences. Once you've clearly defined your idea, check if similar ideas already exist in the market. Look for direct competitors, companies offering similar products or services, or indirect competitors, companies solving the same problem in a different way. To find them, search your idea's keyword on Google. Use tools like SimilarWeb to explore digital competitors. Check Google Play or App Store if your idea is app-based. This research will give you a clear view of the competition and help you refine your approach. After finding your direct and indirect competitors, the next step is to analyze each company from different perspectives. I've prepared a competitor analysis table, which you can download from the link I put in this video's description. It includes all the key features you need to evaluate for each competitor. First step is identifying the product or services these companies offer, their unique features, and any specific innovations they bring to the market. This will help you identify your competitive advantages and distinguish yourself from them. By diving deeper into the detail in this step, you can even refine and improve your idea. The next step is to identify your competitors' product prices. This shows you how much customers are willing to pay and helps you create a unique and effective pricing strategy for your own product or service. Analyzing gaps and weaknesses in your competitors can help you identify areas to focus on. For example, if your competitors are weak in customer support, this could become a key focus for your business. Also analyze how these companies generate revenue, whether through direct sales, subscriptions, advertising, or other methods. This will give you valuable insights to shape your own business model. Analyze their marketing and advertising strategies, including their core messages, to understand their popularity. Use tools like Google Trends or read customer reviews on Amazon. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this method for your idea or if you have any questions.